B2B Perspective. Elevate your business in 2 minutes with Bob Tullio. Today's topic, aren't you tired of cold calling? Everybody loves cold calling, right? Be serious. On this channel, I plan to give you many sales strategies that are better than cold calling. Example, develop strategic partnerships. There are 2 types of strategic partners. The first type is a strategic partner that needs your company to provide a service so they can secure the account as well. I just wrote an article about this and I posted the link with this video. The strategic partnership I wrote about involves 3 companies serving the micro market industry. In that partnership, Fixture Light provides the fixtures, coolers, and design, 365 provides the technology, and Translucent puts it all together with installation and support. Everybody wins, especially the customer. The second type of strategic partner is a strategic partner who is motivated by compensation. This would be my favorite type of strategic partner. Consider it part of the account acquisition cost. Usually, you will find these strategic partners at trade shows or serving your existing accounts. I never hesitated to solicit them directly on LinkedIn. In fact, it's a great thing to do on LinkedIn. These strategic partners include the following. And as you can see, there's a wide variety of companies that can help you out with key information. My deal was simple. Get me the lead. If I secure the account, you get paid. If you can develop a few strategic partners in this class, your sales team will be very busy. So the next time you see your account executive spinning their wheels on the telephone, ask them an important question. Who are your strategic partners? Their time will be better spent cultivating some lead-generating relationships than chasing down long-shot opportunities on their own. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Help us reach that modest goal of 100 subscribers by January 1st. Tap that little subscribe button on your screen and be sure to ring the notification bell so you will know when a new video is released. For more content, including online course information, and to arrange a call with your sales team, just me and your sales team, visit our website. See you next time. I'm Bob Tullio.